Hello again, my brilliant learners. It's always a joy to see you back, ready for a new word. Sometimes we feel strong and full of energy, but other times, something or someone can make us feel like giving up. And today's word is all about that feeling. Today, we're going to learn the word discourage. So, what does discourage mean? To discourage means to make someone feel less confident, less hopeful, or less willing to try. It can be something someone says, or just a difficult situation that makes you feel like stopping. It's the opposite of encourage, which means to give support. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word discourage. Don't let failure discourage you. Try again. Her teacher's words discouraged her from singing. The bad weather discouraged us from going outside. He felt discouraged after losing the game. Parents should encourage, not discourage, their children's dreams. All right, now it is time for a short story, just 10 sentences, to help you remember discouraging. Context: when I was a teenager, I wanted to learn the guitar. I bought a cheap one and started teaching myself. But after a week, my fingers hurt, and I couldn't play a single song. I felt discouraged and thought about giving up. Then my brother came in and said, "Everyone starts like this. Keep going." His words helped me feel better. He encouraged me when I felt low. So I kept practicing, little by little. A month later, I could finally play my first full song. I'm so glad I didn't let those first hard days discourage me. Sometimes, the hardest part is just not giving up. So, that's the word discourage, to take away someone's hope or confidence. Use it this week when you talk about effort, support, or staying strong. See you next time for another great word. Take care and keep learning.